What if I told you you could patch a hole in a wall without using any joint compound or plaster? Would you believe me? Well, I'm going to show you how you can do just that coming up next. Hi everybody, I'm Leah of seejanedrill, and at the top of the video I talked about patching a hole in a wall without joint compound or plaster. So this is what we're going to be using right here. It's the Rapid Wall Repair Patch. Whenever I come across a new product, I like to check it out for myself, and I also like to share it with you. It says that the 6-inch patch can repair drywall damage up to 3 inches in diameter. Now here's the thing, this is not a sponsored video. DAP did not contact me and ask me to do a video on this product. It's something that I saw and I was intrigued by, and I thought, I think I need to check this out, because who knows, it might be something worth using. You don't use any kind of joint compound, spackle, or plaster. You don't need to sand, so you don't have to worry about any kind of dust. They say you just patch it, paint it, and then you're finished. You don't even need any tools. So let's get started. So here's our hole right here, and it's a nice size hole. Let's take a tape measure here and just see what we've got going on. As you can see, we're almost at 3 inches. Now you want to make certain that the area that you're patching is free of any kind of grease or dirt or dust that might prevent the patch from adhering. Let's find out how well this rapid patch works. It's kind of like a double-sided sticker. You peel off the back side, separate the patch like that. Now there's a gray area here. You can see it a little bit, that shadow there. And we're supposed to take that circle here. We're going to center it. You're supposed to center it over your hole, just like that. Smooth it out with your hands. Like I said, they say you don't really need any tools beyond the paint and the roller. I want to tell you, it does feel very strong. It feels very strong and secure. There's like a little flap here, right? I want to show you this here. There's a little flap. We're going to paint the surface, and then we remove after our first coat of paint, okay? We just take this little flap here and we're going to pull it down. But right now, let's put on our first coat. Now I'm just going to roll it out. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to let this dry, and then we're going to use our little tab up here to pull this down slowly. But let's just give it, a few minutes to actually dry. So now we're ready to pull this away. This off. This works a lot like double-sided tape, where you adhere one side to the wall, then you peel off the top layer like we just did. And so now you can see, well, that what has happened is it has created like a little lip around the perimeter of the patch. There's a little indentation, a little step down. And so what will happen now is when we apply the next coat of paint, and we'll probably want to put a third coat on the patch as well, what will happen is it's going to level it all up, and our patch is going to become invisible. Okay, so our paint is dry. This is our repair area. Here's what I felt were the pros and the cons to the Rapid Wall Repair Patch. Now what I'll do is I'll provide a link in the description below the video to the rapid repair patch so you can check it out for yourself. You know, CJNedrill is on its way to reaching 1 million subs, and you're to thank for that. And so can I encourage you? Can I encourage you to share CJNedrill with your family, your friends, your coworkers, and help us reach 1 million subs? Gotta tell you, I would really appreciate it if you did. Hey, listen, let me know what you think about this in the comments below. This is Leah saying you can do this. See ya next time.